Come on, give them a good shower.
Come on, Saloma, weapon, Saloma. You both men now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Here only, here.
Where?
Yeah.
Come on, we need to put people into the water.
We have one dry
Come
one
on,
here.
come on. We have what we want. We have a queen here that's still dry.
Hey, what you should do, okay?
Huh?
Go there, 3 or 4 of you.
Okay.
Push Malcolm in the water.
Oh, okay. Then
You don't.
okay, I'll get the video ready.
Good. I take my camera ready.
Okay.
You must get Malcolm.
But you must help also,
Yeah.
because we got no strength, you know.
It's okay, the lady better, he will.
He will oblige, is it?
Yeah, he blast.
Okay, then mom, come, let's go for a swim together. Yeah, so you're doing fine, man. Wow, Glenn, you good, huh?
Hey.
Old man paddling in front, lady pushing at the back. You king of Sarawak, you. You the king of Sarawak. Oh, yes.
He said he would take his camera away.
I think.
Okay.
Let him take his camera away.
Okay.